Hey guys, it's Sunday.
Sunday fun day.
Better than a Monday. That's from a TV show.
Oh.
But yeah, we're just we're here. I'm here with Stephany.
Hi guys, how you guys doing? It's Sunday. We're super excited, babe. I like how I have so much more energy than you do.
I just am not that energetic of a person.
Yeah, I'm the energetic one, guys. Anyways, so we are, but it's not even fake though, huh?
Yours?
Yeah, do you think it's fake? Because you know how
No.
sometimes like you bring it onto the camera, I feel like sometimes some people can get a little bit more excited than usual.
No, you're always excited about
I know,
everything.
right?
If I was like that, if I was like, hey guys, how you doing? Like, that's fake. That's not me. I'm like, hey guys, what's up? Like, that's my excited. But yeah, anyways,
guys, sorry. We kind of went on a tangent, but guys, we are about to go to the Dollar Tree and maybe the 99-cent store because we are trying to make little baskets, like little Easter baskets for our nieces. We have things that we've been adding here and there, but we actually need to go get the eggs and the treats and all of that, like the actual baskets. So we're gonna go do that, and then we're gonna head over to Trader Joe's, and we are just going to do some grocery shopping, and then after that, we're probably gonna come back to my house. Then we're going to go to Spencer's house, and we're just gonna hang out, and that's pretty much our Sunday. It's pretty relaxed, I feel, right, babe? Just besides the errands.
yeah.
I'm not feeling 100% because I did get a little cold. Like, I have a runny nose, and yeah, it's just a thing right now. I don't have like anything wrong with me though. I took a test. Had to make sure. But yeah, oh, by the way, you can't say COVID. I don't know, that's just what I heard.
Say that on
like, you can't say the word on camera.
Oh,
I don't
okay.
know, but anyway, I don't have the virus, if that's what people are wondering.
Can you give it like a nickname? Can we call it Coco?
Ooh, that's called Coco, yeah. So I don't have Coco, guys. We already got it, and we're good. I had to take a test and everything because I was scared. I was like, oh my gosh, what if I got Coco again? But no, we're good.
All right, anyways, this is going on for a real long time, so we'll vlog you guys later.
Bye.
Not gonna do that on the vlog.
Do it, babe. Do it.
You're gonna think I'm so weird.
Doesn't matter. Go do it.
Hey guys, what's up?
No. No.
We got a new microphone for the camera. Sorry, I always look at like the thing that points at me instead of at the camera. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
But we got a new microphone, and it's like, I don't really know much about cameras, so it's like this super giant poof ball, like literally like as big as my hand. Like, it's giant, and it looks like a little dog's tail or something. It's huge. It just looks so funny, but I guess it's really effective at drowning out outside noises. So
yeah, we got a little Rode Micro Mini microphone. It was like $50, guys, but I've been wanting to get one.
You told me it was $600.
What?
I'm just kidding.
It was about $50 on Amazon. I think they retail for about $60, but we got a deal on Amazon, and I wanted to get it, and we had all these gift cards, so I was like, So we ended up getting it, and I'm just really excited to hear how the audio is going to be. I'm hoping it's really, really good.
Oh yeah, this is our first video.
Yeah, this is going to be our first video, so.
That's cool.
This one's going to be up on Monday, and then I think the haul is going to be up on Friday, the clothing haul, because I did do a clothing haul, but I didn't have the microphone yet. So that'll probably be up on Friday because I wasn't feeling too good, and I didn't want to I want to do my makeup and like actually make a good video. I don't want to just be like oh, you know, when I'm filming. So yeah.
But yeah, we got a new microphone. We're at the Dollar Tree.
Yep, we're about to head over there.
So we're gonna go grab like little Easter baskets, and then that little like fake grass stuff that like populates it to decorate it, and like little eggs, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So we'll vlog you guys later.
Yeah, vlog you later. Babe, there are like literally so many eggs. Like, which ones are we even gonna decide to get? Yeah, I don't know either. These are kind of cute, like these little cupcake ones. You like those little dinosaur ones? These are cute, huh? You have like literally all kinds of eggs, guys. Like, honestly, like little chicken eggs. You don't like them?
Those are cute.
We should get some of these too. What about these little bunny eggs?
Creeps me out.
The bunny kind of creeps you out. What about these white bunny ones?
I think it's better. Maybe.
Maybe. baby shark eggs for Nicole. Super, super cute. Yeah, we should get those for Nicole for sure. They have little sharks in them. And then I feel like we should maybe get some of those iridescent ones. These are cute. You don't like these? Yeah, I feel like these are cute. These are iridescent. Yeah, or you don't like these? You just want regular ones?
Either like these little design ones or like regular ones.
Oh, you don't like the iridescent ones? Okay, we're gonna get these iridescent ones. Oh, those are the ones I have.
Okay, perfect.
Okay. So you want to get some of these? Okay. So we are taking these eggs, iridescent big ones. We're taking the little spotted ones. We're taking these little chicken ones. We're taking these little baby shark ones. And then we're taking bunnies and chickens. Okay, so one bunny. I kind of like this one. And then one for... Okay, so we got those. So let's go look on the other side though, just in case. Why is it like that? Babe, straighten it out. Babe. Hi guys, so we just got back from the Dollar Tree. Babe, what are you doing? We just got back from the Dollar Tree. We are now at Trader Joe's. We're in the parking lot of Trader Joe's. So we got a whole bunch of really cute stuff. I'm pretty sure you guys would have already seen the clips, but we got some pretty cute stuff for our nieces. So we're very excited. We're gonna put the baskets together. Oops, what did I do? Sometime later, and then right now we're at Trader Joe's. We're about to go in. We are going to do some grocery shopping, and then we're going to head back and just relax, and it's gonna be nice. Well, we have to go back to my house first, and then we can go to your house and relax, and it'll be nice. So yeah, we'll go ahead and vlog you guys later. We just wanted to catch you guys up. Hi guys, so we are in the parking lot to Panda Express. We went to my house, unpacked everything for Trader Joe's, and now we are going to eat a late lunch. I'm really excited because I'm starving, so we'll go ahead and vlog you guys later.
I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret.
Guys, here's our Panda. We are dumping it in bowls because I don't know what spilled, and everything's just really like juicy and greasy, and I don't know. So we're gonna do that. Oops. And then we're gonna watch The Good Place. We just started watching it, heard good stuff about it. So that's what we're doing.
Episode 3.
Episode 3. Hi guys, so we are on our way back to my house. We just had Panda. We watched The Good Place for a little bit. Now we're gonna head back. I feel like today's vlog was kind of boring. Sorry about that. I'm just not feeling the best. But hopefully, actually next weekend we're not even gonna see each other because I'm gonna go to San Diego and Spencer's gonna go to Seattle. He's gonna go hang out with his friends and I'm gonna hang out with mine. So yeah, I don't know. We'll see what happens, guys. I'll try to film like some other kind of videos. But yeah, we just want to do a little vlog here. You know, sorry that it's a little boring, but just to keep you guys updated with our lives and stuff. But anyways, we're gonna head over there and then we will probably talk to you guys later. I'm gonna try to end the vlog because I always say that I am and then I never do. Babe, are you gonna say something?
Oh, hi everyone. Vlog you later.
Vlog you later. I thought I would show you the new microphone. So we got like this little Rode mini one. It's really cute. Just I wanted to show you guys since we kind of talked about it earlier. But anyways, guys, I am basically gonna wrap this up. I'm at home. I'm with my puppies. They're all chewing on a little bully stick. I'm not feeling the best, so I just want to lie down. I'm gonna edit this. Hopefully have it up by tomorrow. But yeah, guys, I'm sorry if today's vlog was super boring. It was just us doing everyday things, so I really hope you guys liked it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, beautiful person.
I can do this all